Today I'm going to tell you the 5 kind of Porsche enthusiasts you don't want to be. Car gatherings like Cars and Coffee can be great events for all attendees. Both the young and the old get to talk about cars and look at cool rides. But when the show ends, people put on this shirt and decide to burn some rubber when they exit the show. This has been an issue with all makes, including some Porsche drivers. Remember, if you do stupid things, it looks bad on all enthusiasts of a marquee. So don't be a jerk. It tends to get that particular Cars and Coffee kicked out of a venue. That's kind of the Mustang guys thing. Driving a Porsche is quite the engaging experience, but for some, the only way to drive a Porsche is to have a manual transmission. This used to be me. My first 3 Porsches were all manual cars and I would never consider anything else. Even though the PDK is better from a performance standpoint, I would have said you need a manual to get the full driving experience. Of course, some knee issues have changed things, and now I see that semi-automatic options can provide an engaging experience and save your legs in stop and go traffic. I mean, it takes a real man to let that car shift for him. Owning a Porsche offers quite the driving experience and is something that is awesome to share. The problem is that sometimes the want to share this can become an obsession, looking for every opportunity to talk about Porsches. These are the people that wear a Porsche crest on every article of clothing, just hoping someone will ask about it.
Only an idiot would wear this stuff if you didn't have the car.
Making Porsche your entire personality is the kind of thing that gets someone to start a YouTube channel all about Porsches, just so they can talk about them. Oh wait, that's me. Well, enjoy your Porsche, but also make sure to have some balance in your life and don't be like me. Buying a Porsche means that you are getting one of the best performance cars money can buy. The problem is that owning a Porsche doesn't automatically make you a better driver. I've personally had a few times while driving the family SUV that a Porsche was weaving through traffic and narrowly missed clipping our front end with barely enough space to pass. Now, I get it. You have a fast car and driving in the Orlando area with the tourists, retirees, and frustrated locals can tempt you to get around everyone in any way possible. But same as when you exit a car show, don't give the rest of the Porsche owners a bad name with unsafe driving. Just save your racing for the track. The Porsche purists think that the last true Porsche was made in the 1990s. These are the kind of people that enjoy putting others down because they don't drive an air-cooled 911. They'll say things like, "Oh, you got the cheap Boxster instead of a real Porsche." Some will act this way in person, but nearly all use the protection of being online to put others down. Yes, the air-cooled cars are very special, but even Porsches that are often looked down on are very good in their own way. Of course, some of these Porsche purists are only purists online, but they actually drive a Toyota Corolla and not a Porsche at all. Most Porsche enthusiasts are great people. If you are fortunate enough to drive a Porsche, don't put others down and drive safely. But don't forget to take it to the track as often as you can to see what it can really do. The thing is, the Porsche Cayman may be the best car that Porsche has ever made. So check out this video to find out everything you need to know about the Porsche Cayman.